We started this football program primarily aiming to develop values among the youth. We focused on values such as teamwork, sportsmanship, humility, self-discipline, and obedience to rules. So we used the football game as a medium for their character development. We had subjected these players into a month-long football training activity, which we had culminated into the conduct of the first Sulu Football Cup, which is participated by 16 teams male and 6 teams female of about 250 players, all playing in a 7-a-side football game here in Tubig Puti, Luhong, Sulu.
Turo namin sa football dito sa lugar namin. Yung mga bata nagkaroon ng tiwala sa sarili, lumakas yung loob, tsaka nagkakaroon ng disiplina. Yung mga bata, kahit umulan, kahit nilinit, naglalaro pa rin. Gusto nilang i-improve yung skills nila sa larong football.
Training naman kami, yung team captain nila, siya ang naglilit ng exercise. Hanggang 30 minutes lang yung warm up, saka yung cool down. Tapos niyan, kung nagme-merinda kami, yun, ipina-implement namin yung disiplina. Kung pila-pila, hanggang sa tapos yung pinakakulihat, makakuha ng lahat na magbigayan sila.
Pala nung nag-training kami ng football, yung samahan nila, umiba, lalong gumanda. Tapos yung mga bata na taga iba't ibang baryo, nagkakakuan sila, nagkakaibigan, hindi magkakilala, pero sa practice nagkakaisa sila. Tapos sa trabaho nila, alam nilang i-manage yung practice, bigyan ng time yung practice nila at saka yung trabaho nila.
Tuwing umaga, plus size, nagdadaging kami. Yung unang dating namin dito, medyo wala pa kaming masyadong kilala dito. Pero habang tumatagal, naumpisan yung may laro ng soccer na inuupi namin sila. Medyo maganda naman yung ano nila sa amin. At saka mula nung nakasama namin sila, pumapasok na sila sa aming kampo at ikakausap na sila sa amin. Hindi lang sa akin, pati sa lahat ng mga kasamaan ko dito. May paggalang na sila. Minsan pumapasok sila dito sa kampo.
Nagbago yung ugali nila. Adapt nila yung sportsmanship. Tapos kahit nasasaktan sila sa laro, hindi sila gumaganti. Kahit mahirap sila na turuan, at least may magandang resulta yung pagtuturo namin.
Choosing your battle, pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fold it up, oh, and if you fold it up, cause this is Africa. This time for Africa. Africa. Samina, mina, waka, waka, Samina, mina, sakalewa, ana, waka, Samina, mina, waka, waka, Samina, mina, sakalewa. It's time for Africa.
I will have a journey, biggie, biggie, mama, what's A to Z? I see to sell my journey, biggie, biggie, mama, from east to west. I see waka, waka, my waka, waka, my and this is so noisy, cause this is Africa.
It's time for Africa.